Njengoko ixesha leziyunguma sele lisemnyango, umasipala iNelson Mandela Bay usungule isiqalo senyathelo lokuqala lokuqinisekisa ukuba abahlali nabakhenkethi baziva bekhuselekile ngexesha leziholide zehlobo. Usodolophu wesixeko uBaba Lobishe uvakalise ukuba kubalulekile abahlali bakhuseleke ngexesha leholide. Ukwathe ukufakelwa kweekhamera kwiindawo zesixeko yinxalenye yokuqinisekisa ukuba uluntu lukhuselekile kulo mmandla. Ezi khamera zifakelwe kule nyanga zisebenza ubusuku nemini.
We are very confident that we will be providing a safer festive season with a number of men in blue, men and women in blue. We are very sure, and that combination includes our metropolis, it includes the safety patrollers, it includes subs, it also includes home affairs. So we are very sure that we are going to provide a safer city, because the integration assures that we are going to be deploying faster than before and also with collaborated efforts. We are offering safety in all of our beaches. We are also offering entertainment, because the city will also be providing summer season entertainment along the beachfront, also at Youth Lake. So they must come and enjoy the safer city. We've installed cameras which are monitored with a quick response time from our police and metropolis.
Inkumandla yesithili saseNelson Mandela Bay yeSAPS uVuyisile Nqatha uthi amacebo asele enziwe ukuqinisekisa ukhuseleko aquka ukuhlwayelwa kwamagosa ezobunhlola edolophini, ukwakhuthaza uluntu ukuba ludlulise naziphi inkcukacha ngolwaphulo-mthetho.
We have reduced the number of members that are going on leave, on vacation leave, so that we can have an increased deployment. And because we want to flood the areas, we want to be more in our own streets here, in our hotspots as well. And we continue to deploy our crime intelligence officials, those who gather information for us. And in the past month, the past quarter, and we have noticed that they have been very, very successful, meaning that our communities are cooperating, our communities, they want to take part, they do not accept criminality. Hence, we have been executing either in the form of the search warrants or following the information on the wanted suspects, because of the crime intelligence driven operations were led by operation. I think that is the best way, where we'll know things before they happen. But we still want to encourage our community to work more and pass information. And there are so many, the Crime Stop number, either the extortion hotline, or they can also call me, they can call other people that they trust, so that they can really report criminality that is about to happen. But you see, for us to fight crime successfully, we must target the crime generators. We know why people are killed, why people are robbed. As a result of drugs, for instance, if you go to the northern areas, because people are selling drugs, they are fighting over the territory.
Unqatha ukwaqinise ukuba abahlali nabakhenkethi kufuneka bazive bekhuselekile ingakumbi ngeli xesha lonyaka.
Ours this year is to ensure that the people who come to our city, the citizens of our city, live in a very safe environment, and through ensuring that they are able to entertain themselves, they are able to go to the beaches, and because we've got very beautiful beaches in our city, and those who are in the townships as well can be able to walk freely on the streets, even though it's not easy, because criminals now are brazen, and while we're having our own plans, they've got their own plans as well. But in any case, in the past month, since the signing of the cooperation agreement, we've really seen a reduction in our crime here, especially in the robber aggravated cases, where we talk of the house robberies, the carjackings, the truck jackings, the street robberies where firearms are used. Yes, of course, there were cases open that were investigating, but at the same time, we have managed to reduce something that you are smiling about, but we know that it is not enough as long as our people are not feeling safe.
Kulindeleke lo masipala uvule ngokusesikweni ixesha leeholide zehlobo kule nyanga izayo. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa, ndingu-Alungile Bhoqwana eFeather Market Hall eGqeberha.